Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Aquarius air sign, your person current feelings right now, and this reading is for remaining month of April. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's check the message, your person current feelings towards you right now. So Aquarius, let's see, Ace of Swords, Eight of Cups, Temperance. I think something is happened in your situation right now because Eight of Cups is walking away from the situation, and Temperance here, you or your person could be Sagittarius. I think definitely you maybe leave this person or your person maybe leave this situation, but Temperance is balance and patience is required right now. Definitely your person want a brand new beginning with you, Ace of Swords. Definitely he is thinking to come towards you and offer a brand new beginning, truth coming out, and this is a Ace of Swords brand new beginning. Definitely he want a new beginning with you, Aquarius, but temperance here, balance and patience is needed definitely. So their intentions towards you, let's check. So these intentions means they will take actions depending upon the situation, may or may not. They will, so let's see their intentions. Knight of Wands, Justice, Queen of Wands. Yes, lot of passion is there between both of you. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely Justice, he want to reconcile with you. Definitely he want to come towards you and want a brand new beginning with you. Definitely lot of passion is there. King of Wands and Knight of Wands is here. So their intentions towards you, they will come towards you and want a second chance. Definitely Justice is here. So your person want to reconcile with you, definitely. So this is up to you. You will accept their offer again and not. So let's pull some cards from universe. Page of Cups. Yes, message is coming in your way and they want to offer this cup of love to you. Two cards. Four of Pentacles. I think you acting like stubborn in this situation. The Star and the final card, Eight of Pentacles. Definitely your person want to work on this relationship seriously, but it is slow. The Star is here. Definitely there is hope for the future of this connection but one person acting like stubborn. Definitely Page of Cups, your person want to work on this relationship seriously and he want to reconcile with you, their current intentions towards you. So final choice is yours to accept this offer or not. Decision is yours. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.